Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we head back to Florida. And we're going to go to Palm Beach Gardens. We're going to be flying the Air2S drone at the famous DiVosta Towers. I'll be flying with my good friend Al Cerchione of South Florida Drone Flyers. Hi, welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly, and I'm here in Palm Beach Gardens. We're at the downtown at the Gardens complex, and I'm going to be flying the DiVosta Towers. But you'll never guess who I'm with.
Hey, everybody.
Al from South Florida Drone Flyers. How you doing, Al?
I'm great. Always great to fly with you, Ray.
Yeah,
Always great. Always great meetup.
I've been wanting to fly these towers for 3 years.
It's a great place to fly. It really is. And you get these night shots. They're absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll get a good sunrise this morning, too.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. I want to get a nice sunrise, and I'm looking forward to it, Al. We actually arrived while it was still dark out, and we did a quick flight before the sun rose. And that's the famous DiVosta Towers. And that's the PGA Boulevard Bridge behind them. The towers are beautiful at night. I wanted to film the DiVosta Towers at sunrise. We changed locations closer to the tower when it got lighter out. Al was flying his Mavic 3, and I was flying my Air2S. The Air2S is an awesome drone. The DiVosta Towers are state-of-the-art 11-story luxury office towers. Construction was finished on the South Tower in 2019 and on the North Tower in 2020. The decorative pyramid-shaped framework on the top of the buildings have been inspired by the Grand Louvre Pyramid in the main court of the Louvre Museum in Paris. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our new videos. But as you can see, the DiVosta Towers are beautiful. Did anyone notice anything of concern? Yep, I'm talking about those blackbirds. There was a flock of 50 to 75 birds, and they didn't like the drones. Al and I thought we were going to be taken out by one of these blackbirds, and you can see how close they come to my Air2S. Here's a blackbird on the right whizzing by. And if you look in the center, it's hard to see, but there's another bird about 10 feet in front of the drone that's blending in with the dark area. As the blackbird goes higher and comes at the drone, you can see him better. And yes, I slowed the video down while the birds were coming by. Here's two more coming at the drone. might add that Al's drone is being attacked the same way. There were a lot of birds that weren't in the camera view also. Al immediately brought his drone down. I decided to fly a little higher and stay up a little longer. And I'll have to say, I was very nervous. I thought I was going to lose my drone today. And this blackbird was very, very aggressive. And please leave comments if you've ever had a bird strike or a near miss. I decided at that point I had to bring the drone down to a lower level. So I brought it down and I took pictures of Al's drone and me and Al on the ground. I tell you, this was an awesome, awesome flight. And as always, thanks for watching. After the flights, Al and I went and had a great breakfast at the Southern Kitchen. And don't forget to watch my weekly live stream on Mondays at 6 p.m. Eastern.